guys, I'm now here in Patar Beach. It's a white sand beach of Bolinao, Pangasinan. Now there are so many tourist spots here, but the number one tourist spot here is the Cape Bolinao Lighthouse, and this is the second one. There are also caves here. From my understanding, there are 3 caves. The Enchanted one, the Cindy's, and the other one. Now how do you go to this Patar Beach? I started from Dagupan today. I rode a minibus. The minibus ride is good for 2.5 hours. Then I reached the municipality of Bolinao. I took a tricycle. The tricycle ride is good for 40 to 45 minutes. Then once you're here, you're going to reach paradise. Okay, here in Bolinao. Now there are so many resorts here, but this is the number one spot. Again, Patar Beach here in Bolinao, Pangasinan. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Patar. Bye guys!